Drop trader here, 6th of August 2024, and I have just taken a couple of trades at the open. And let me show you what I did. You can see I've been shorting. There's a quick short here. I covered here and there. And now we should pump higher. I missed that entry. Alright, now we're pushing higher. So these are my entries, these are my trade today, 1087. Got stopped out for 0, 256 and 106. And this is from yesterday. So let's just get that out of the way. So I've been shorting here that once we took that 15 minutes liquidity at the open, I started to short, covered some here, and then I covered some on this candle as well, into the push on that. This is actually London low. Yeah. So here we go. Let's just put the London low. Once we took that, I was actually out before that, but there you go. So you might ask, oh, what was your strategy? Well, the strategy is the 15-minute liquidity sweep. The ICT is talking about as well. So we took that 15 minutes drop because we didn't draw that liquidity yet. I was kind of expected that early longs will get wiped with the push into this low. And there you go. And we got the push. There you go. So now we just pushed into this 15 minutes. I'm going to jump with one short here. It's a pretty decent place. Just took that liquidity. A lot of liquidity has been taken with that push. We can actually push into that, but before we do that, I think I'm going to steal a little bit of, a couple of points. I think I just try to catch that. Got 5 more minutes on this candle. Okay, so I'm not going to be too greedy. There you go, 275. Why did I get in there? Again, the answer is very simple. 15-minute liquidity, 50-minute liquidity. See that? And 15-minute liquidity. So whatever they bought down here, they sold into this high, but the ultimate high is obviously up there. So we could clear, we could go there, but you never know. Got 54, 56. We got 4 more minutes. So we managed to grab 250 on that. Nice. Trying to stay in a trade with one big contract when you have a volatility like this. Look at this. From here, 20 to 60, that's 40 points in what, 10 minutes? It's huge volatility. So you don't want to, you don't want to stay too long. Look at this exit. It's perfect exit. How did I know how to exit here? I basically knew we are going to reverse. Once we sold, I knew we are going to reverse a little bit. So it was all about grabbing something. It wasn't about, holding anything. It was about grabbing a little bit, in the counter trend. Because we know that we're going to have reaction of this kind of levels. And we do have reaction of that level. There you go, we're popping higher. There's another level here. Right? Not a lot of liquidity, but here's a little bit more. So there's a fair value gap. Is it possible that we could get there? Of course it's possible. Are we gonna go there on one swift move? I don't know. Tick chart is falling a little bit now. I'm thinking, yeah, just stay in it. Just stay in it. Stay in cash. Just enjoy the ride and see what's up there. We opened that account yesterday, 50,000, already $6,200 up. So I got a trade, mate. Yeah, that's why I thought a little bit of push, and like you think about candles, right? Yeah, well, candles are important, but what is more important is the volume. And look what happened with this volume here. The volume profile. The moment we got to this level, we got thinner here. And we have trapped people out there. They're trapped here. I'm talking about shorts who are shorting this. They'll be trapped here, here, here. We're gonna get there, but it's gonna take some time. There you go. Look at that. We'll have a drop again. Probably we're gonna get lower at this point. We're gonna grab that low at some point. Do I want to continue trading? Probably not. I mean, it's all about, yes, I can, but I'm telling myself and I'm teaching myself just recently. I'm looking at this and I'm saying, less is more. What's the point? What's the point to actually? You know what? I don't need to look at this. I want to look at that only. The same profile as this one. It's kind of close to the price action. So you have to look for some sort of entry. The perfect entry will be somewhere here when the price gets down here. That will be a good entry here. If you can get it, market could reverse, start to push high. Or if the intention of the market was just to grab that and sell into, this is minor liquidity. I wouldn't call it a main liquidity. That's a minor liquidity. The main chunk of liquidity it's up here really into this fair value gap. So yeah. So I still think we got we should probably a bit higher. So at this point we just made a top. So another 15-minute candle top. Yep, that's a 15-minute candle bottom down here. But I don't think we're gonna get down there. This 15-minute candle was from 221 to 68. 47 points. Should continue higher. Okay. All right, we just got to push through the top of the 15-minute. Very nice. We're going to continue higher into this fair value gap up here, into this liquidity, most likely. Most likely. At the same time, it wouldn't surprise me if we start to collapse at the moment, because we took that high once before. We took this. Now we took those shorts, those early shorts. We are pushing higher, and we are actually getting a little bit. So if I can catch this a little bit higher on the short side, see that volume here? I can catch that somewhere in this area. How interesting. But no, I'm not so sure if I'm gonna get it. Okay, take shot at 0 line. See how they grab the 5-minute liquidity? They grabbed the 5-minute and they pushed into the top. So this happens on 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, constantly. Let's see if they have appetite to push this higher into that fair value gap up here. Let's see. I want to see how far this momentum is on the buy side. It's 15-minute candle. It's only 5 minutes so far on it. We'll see. Just push above another 5 minutes somewhere here. It would be ideal if they could pump into the 75 first. Somewhere here. And then turn around. We have trapped, just look at that, we have trapped volume up here, right? Pretty much here. That's the trapped volume. So if we could push into this level, there will be people running away. They're going to be getting out. These longs will be getting out. there you one. We have 1 and 2 level. There's an actually there's another one. But this one is a little bit different. And the difference between this one was acting as a fake out. No, I don't like to use the word fake out, to be honest. It's liquidity sweep all this 15 before we dumped it. So this is the real liquidity. Yeah, that's real liquidity, and that's real liquidity pretty much maximum. I wouldn't count this as a liquidity. That's a liquidity here, obviously. And the top is liquidity as well. So yeah, market is holding and it's going to push. Looks like it's going to push higher. Good. Why am I not buying this? Yeah, well, you never know how far this drop's going to happen. But we know if we get up here, we could reverse. I'm going to go short here. Try to short that immediately once we get into that. I'm going to short that. A bit of front running, I guess. There we go. Short. We have to be prepared, and we can push even higher. So if we push higher, I'm gonna short again somewhere here. And after this, what time is it? 6 more minutes. There we go. So I might actually close this. Let's just go a little bit higher with this second one. Technically speaking, we did push through this level. This entry will be much better. But it is what it is. I rushed. So we do have a push from 22 to 79. There we go. Boom. All right. Now we got the stops. Out. Let's see what we can expect right now, because my entry wasn't great. My target needs to be very, very conservative. I need to grab what I can, basically. There you go. Because of my first entry, I had to close everything. That's the penalty you take when your entry is not great. It's not good. But still a winning trade. $217 on it. We can wait for another pump higher. I would try one more time here with the short. Very close to my first entry, which is good. I'm pretty happy with that. And we can close just below here, or we can go greedy there and just say, you know what, let's give this market a little bit of hope. I like to say hope, but this is really good entry here, and We sold into a lot of liquidity. There's no reason to start pumping higher. We got the people who are trapped here. I mean, this can go down, right? Whoever bought that at the bottom, they already achieved the goal. London sell side, they bought the whole loan, every single loan, which was overnight, and they sold into the bulk of the liquidity, which is here. You can get back, obviously, into the 71. That's the liquidity. And will be probably problem to go lower than that initially, but who knows? So we do have some trapped people down here. So I'm gonna try to get out somewhere here, I think, with my short. I mean, at this point there's no mercy for this trade. It has to give. Or the closing break even. I like the drop. Pretty decent draw. Got 12 past it. We got another 3 minutes on this 15-minute candle. Okay, let's see what they can do. Do you think they can pump higher? Yes, they can pump higher, obviously. But we can also open new candle. Yeah. They can also open new candle. I'm just gonna go really break even, but that's interesting. They can open new candle in 2 minutes, break that, and then we're gonna go high. So take that 15-minute drop. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do that. That's why I don't like to stay too long in trades, because see that we've been, what was that? I'm gonna try one more time. Even that wasn't high. I thought it was high. It wasn't high. Not good. This is not good. I'm kind of in the revenge mode trading right now, but I still think there'll be second try to the bottom. But this time, I'm just gonna grab what I can. That's what I'm gonna do. One more minute on the 15-minute candle. Lovely. Going back to TikTok, going back to zero line. That's what I want to see. And I want to see a grab of the bottom of the 15-minute candle. Sorry, the bottom is actually here. The bottom is here. So I'm talking actually about the 5 minute. I'm just talking about the 5. Really? Yeah, they should give us something. They should give us something. I like this level now, because here's the 15-minute. Trap people in the 15-minute. There you go. That's much better. Push into that 15-minute. All right. There we go. So why? Because we have trapped people here, right? We got some shorts trapped here. The moment market gets back into this candle, what they're gonna do? They will close. So I'm gonna close in front of them. That's it. Watch how they're gonna close. The moment we just drop into it, they're gonna be closing. See, they're even closing before. And we wasted a good trade. We were 400 up here, also 350 or something like that, and we didn't close. That's all right, guys. This is Trap Trader. from London. This is Tuesday, 6th of August 2024. We're watching ES futures. And I'm trading ICT and a 15 minutes liquidity sweep strategy. If you want to learn more about that and see how I do it, what I do, I recommend you to like and subscribe into this channel. My strategy works every day at the open and get the moves. It works in the ranges. It works in the situation like this when we have some liquidity on the left and behind us that we can refer to. A strategy is not great when market is just going in one direction. That's not going to work. But when we are ranging, and market is ranging from 75 to 80% of the time, this is where the strategy works, and you can make a ton of money. Quickly in and out of the trade. Take your money and leave the table when you can. For me, this is over for today, and we have made, what is this, 400, 600, 850, 1,900, 250, 2,150 or 2,350, something like that. This is from yesterday. Same story. So 2,000, over 2,000 in, what was that, from the open. This is 38 minutes, and we're done. Is market going to continue? As it can. It can, because technically speaking, we do have a trend up, very strong, very strong trend up, and we have been shorting. You might think like, why did you short? Why did you go long? Yeah, you could go long, but I'm looking for 15-minute sweeps, and we didn't have a sweep here. We didn't have a sweep here. We didn't have a sweep here. So how can I go long? Yeah, I mean, that was a good entry. Like I said, this was a good thing. Trapped shorts on the 50-minute here. That was a good long, but we were short into it. We were short into it. We took a profit here. We could instantly reverse, but the problem is market can go down here. So you wanna try and go long at 69? Yes, you could, but then you have to be prepared, and the market can drop to 54. That's a fair value gap. We know that. We can see it. But not every fair value gap is going to work for you. And this is on 15 minutes. If you look in 5 minutes, you're going to have different fair value gaps. This is 5 minutes, which is great. But here's got another one. If I switch this into 2 minutes, you'll have a lot of fair value gaps. A lot of them. So you have to know where to look, what to look at, and enter at the right place. And that requires a little bit of practicing. I've been trading 3 years, 2 years I would say. First year I didn't know what I was doing, but I've been trading like 2 years. And I can say that I'm pretty confident I will succeed in this thing. There's obviously a couple of things to improve, and for me it's patience. Not every day is a good day for trading, so you have to know when you can trade, when you shouldn't. So yeah, anyway guys, like and subscribe. I'm gonna go live at some point as well, and I'll be able to watch this live and take trades together with me. One more time, that was Trap Trader from London. Take care and see you tomorrow. Peace.